Hey guys, yeah, so I'll talk to you about how I break my phone and how I fixed it. Well, so this is not like I didn't buy this phone. It was my mother's phone, and it's a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. When she bought it, it was good, but as time passed, she did some updates and it became very slow. So because of that, she had to buy a new phone. So I took this phone. And because it was slow and I knew that there was the possibility of installing custom ROMs on it, I decided to try that out. So the custom ROM wasn't what break the phone. It was actually like I followed like I had to install this recovery thing on the phone to be able to install the custom ROM on the phone. So I flashed a certain file that I wasn't supposed to flash on it. And when I did that, the phone bricked. It started boot looping. I couldn't access like it was this mode called fast boot, no recovery, no nothing. If I knew what I was doing back then, I could have fixed it like in the same day almost. But yeah, it took me quite a few months to actually be able to fix it. Like I just fixed it recently. So yeah, that's what I did. Like I kept looking, and then if it made the problem even worse, sometimes it will get better, sometimes it will get worse. Then recently, I came up across a tutorial. It was an article on a platform called XDA. It showed. Well, I'll try to link it down in the description. It showed me how to like just there was a comment. There was a reply on like the post. It was someone asking how to fix an error. So basically, I flashed the files, but there was this NV data corruption error. Like the phone started booting and then it just stopped. It started booting until like there was some activity on the phone, right? So yeah, so the hold on, the article, the reply showed you how like it had an attachment, which was NVRAM NVData images, like which were what fixed the error, and another in another attachment for the system. It was MIUI 11, which is a good thing because MIUI 11 is a little smoother, faster than MIUI 13, but it discharges faster. So yeah, that's the problem, but I don't care, like the phone works, so that's what matters. Anyways, I flashed those files on the phone using SP Flash tool. I don't like downloaded a few files and all, and the phone was fixed. But I had an issue, which was that I lost my IMEI numbers, which means that I couldn't use my SIM cards. The SIM cards wouldn't work, and the only way to solve it, like there are many ways. Among those ways is installing engineering ROM on the phone, ROM engineering ROM on the phone, and fixing it using that ROM. So I looked it up. I looked how to like install engineering ROM on the phone for my specific phone, and the phone broke again. But this hold on. But this time it was even worse. The phone wouldn't boot up at all, and like I was so scared. Like I just solved it, and the phone broke again. But luckily this time I made a post on the platform, and some guy helped me. Like he's really that's what was really nice of him. I showed him about my issue and he showed me a tutorial on how to fix it. Like this time I couldn't even access the flash tool, like it was even work. So yeah, I installed the required drivers, did all the trickery stuff, and it worked. If you guys want me to show you how I fixed it, I'll try to make a video, but I'm not going to risk my phone again. I'll just tell you what to do. I'll link the links as I use, the articles that I use to fix the phone, and then you may follow them, I guess, follow the steps in them, I guess. Yeah, so I followed the steps and the phone worked. This sounds MIUI 13. So yeah, I said, okay. I asked him about the IMEI issue. He showed me a tutorial. It broke the phone again, but I wasn't scared this time. I mean, I had a little doubt within me, but I had the fix, like the NVRAM and the i11 fix. So I used it, and yeah, here I am recording with this. If you please like give me like feedback on the camera quality and audio quality, because I'm using the selfie camera right now. I'm not using like the rear and the rear camera. I think the quality could be better, but yeah. So moral, summary of this all is that if you want to install custom ROM on your phone, don't risk it. Don't just don't do it, man. Just try to find another solution. If you don't know what you're doing, but if you do, then yeah. If you have like another phone that you could test out the like this whole thing with, then it's maybe better. Like a phone that doesn't matter, because if you break your phone, you might not find a solution to fix it. And please always back up your phone before trying anything risky. Sometimes there are some really bad breaks that you can't even fix. Like if my phone, like if I didn't come out that article, my phone would have still been brick until right now. But yeah, alhamdulillah. So yeah, if you need help with this issue, especially with the Redmi Note 9, just tell me how, like ask me in the comments to make a video and I'll do it. So yeah, our local tech nerd, peace out.